of innovation in India's young minds is unstoppable. And here at Chandigarh University, we are empowering them to propel the nation into a global startup hub. With 0 to 1, North India's first founder-specific MVP hackathon, raw concepts are being turned into market-ready products, and that too in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. Just 24 hours from concept to creation. And who knows, among these brilliant minds could be India's future unicorn founders. Come, let's hear from the budding entrepreneurs themselves. So, can you describe what is your startup about?
We are just working on a software-based solution that can bring our project that people are now struggling on getting jobs and their job applications get rejected.
So, what problem will your venture solve?
So we have planned to make an AI model and integrate it with the CCTV infrastructure already available in the premises and unlike offices and hospitals and all, to track whether there is any kind of anomaly or any kind of injury or theft. If it happens, our AI model will detect it and send it to notify it to the security department of the building.
What's something you'll learn in these 24 hours that you have not expected?
I am expecting to learn new tech stack and explore many things as much as I can.
What's the vision behind your startup that you are bringing to life?
Basically, it's sustainability. Like sustainability for the betterment of India. That wastage and sewage system, we are dealing with that.
What's your startup about?
It's about wages for labor. जैसे लेबर है उनको मिनिमम वेज नहीं मिलती. हमने सर्वे किया है, अप्रॉक्स 33% है जिनको उनकी वेजेस मिलती हैं. तो हमने सोचा है कि एक हम प्लेटफॉर्म बनाएंगे और बायोमेट्रिक स्कैन करेंगे, फिंगरप्रिंट स्कैन करके वो अपने लॉगिन कर सकते हैं. फिर जब वो अपने काम से वापस जाएंगे तो अपना वो लॉग आउट कर सकते हैं. तो उनका एक टाइम आ जाएगा कि उसने इतना टाइम काम किया है, तो वो जो बॉस होंगे, उनके जो भी ओनर होंगे, तो उनको उस हिसाब से उनको उनके वेजेस दे सकते हैं.
If you have to describe your experience here at MVP Hackathon in a phrase or word, what would it be?
I would say it's thrilling because I can see so many other teams participating and they have so much enthusiasm and it's very exciting as well.
The energy here is absolutely electric, and guess what? The stakes are high. The top 3 ventures will secure a direct entry into Campus Tank, India's biggest startup launchpad for young innovators. Just imagine the possibilities, from paper to prototype to progress. Chandigarh University is fueling the leaps that drives tomorrow's startups and future unicorns.